Welcome, man, to Alphamantraining live videos. We are coming back. We did, we did dance shows. First was cop show, second was gangster show, third one was the soldier. So the party went really well. Girls were amazing. We were happy, and I feel amazing. Just to draw, around 90 miles is not easy, but I will do that. It's during night time, so a lot of wild animals crossing the road, so you should be very careful driving. Okay, so how to be confident around girls? Through the practice, man. Yeah, through the practice. And we take students to hands party to rise your confidence to enormous level, to really high level. We take you to the station when you need to control a group of people, group of girls, can be some males. I remember, a student of Alphamantraining, Tadas. In English, that name Todd. So you can check his transformation. He is short guy. He's maybe 5'3", 5'5", I don't know, but in centimeters, 1 meter 62 centimeters. He is short guy. And those short guys, usually they are real alpha males. They are leaders of groups. They have, security guys around them. They manage people. So I wanted actually to install that knowledge into Tadas. So he took third Alphamantraining stage, and we went, to hands party. Like we draw. He needed to control 2 male strippers to actually play music, send them to dance, and control the group of girls. Like he needed to introduce the numbers of dances, what are waiting, and cars following me, maybe a police, a police. Actually, I pulled up, and the police, was passing, stopped and said, and asked, is something wrong? I said, no, I just stopped to figure out my phone, and he said, okay, and that's it. So I want that car to pass me, but it's fucking following me, but it doesn't matter. Okay, so Tadas needed to control actually group of girls, so he managed around 20 women and 2 male strippers. 2 male strippers were needed to make shows, and Tadas introduced both, to girls both shows. So he gained lot of confidence. Moreover, on the streets, when we went on the streets, he needed to approach 2 girls, 3 girls with a guy. But I said to him, you're not ready for this. You need to finish first Alphamantraining stage. I just can't take you to hands party. To try this. He said, yes, I want that because I have a dream to open my restaurant. I have a dream to be the chef, to like a boss in my restaurant. I want, to make food, like to manage that restaurant. I said, yes, let's go. It will be a good practice for you to manage people. So for you will be the same. Once you will pass 0 stage of Alphaman. What means 0 stage of Alphamantraining? We just change your clothing style and train you how to dance. Until you don't have very good style, and you don't know how to dance, we will not let you to approach girls. Why? Because a lot of AMT systems are based on AMT dancing systems. So that's very important. And once you will finish 0 stage of Alphamantraining, it means you will need to do those dancing steps to show you will need to show how you control women on the dance, how you spin here, how you dip down, how you lift up, how you actually manage to dance with a girl on the dance floor. Once you will do that, and once we will change your style, you will have amazing dress style, then congratulations, you came to first Alphamantraining stage, how to approach one girl and get number. That's very yeah, excuse me, you know, it's my tripod. When, you know, I turn a car, my tripod went. Just I stick it quite normally, but still